Hi everyone, welcome back Unity car friends. What you're about to witness today is a look, a secret, a design that no one has ever revealed before. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza has taken a rebirth that's bold, blazing, and breathtaking. This isn't just a car, it's a moving firestorm, a sparkling thunderbolt on the road. People once called the Brezza simple, but in 2025, it's wearing a new crown, a new attitude, a new dominance. And today, Unity Car is about to unveil the biggest hidden secret of this beast's exterior. No talk about seats or interiors, only the outside power that steals your attention. Look at it from the front, and it's like a warrior standing tall. The all-new front grille is wider, finished in premium glossy piano black. And right in the center, the Suzuki logo shines like a royal emblem. The headlights are sharp like a predator's eyes. And the new DRLs, they shine so bright, night starts to look like day. The bumper down below is bolder and more muscular. Fog lamps are set like this car fears no mist, rain, or storm. This is the queen of all seasons, the ruler of all roads. Now glance at the side profile, and you'll see razor-sharp character lines. Like a sword has sculpted the body with artistic precision. The dual-tone alloy wheels spin with such flair, it feels like the road itself starts to vibrate. Roof rails above, loaded with adventure vibes. The Brezza looks like it's always ready for the next wild ride. And trust me, when you look at it, you'll want to stop, take a photo, and just admire it. Now let's move to the rear, and prepare to be stunned. Connected LED tail lights stretch across the back like a single red beam. This is not just lighting, this is a signal. That Brezza doesn't look behind, it moves only forward. The rear bumper is bold, heavy, and aggressive. And the silver skid plate below adds that rugged SUV stance. This new Brezza isn't just different in design, it's different in emotion. It's a brand new blend of style and power that Maruti has never delivered before. But now the real question arises. Can this new look and style take Brezza ahead of rivals like Tata Nexon, Hyundai Venue, and Kia Sonet? Do you believe this Brezza is now truly a road king, leaving every other SUV behind? Tell us in the comments, what's your take? Has Brezza ruled the streets, or is there still room for more? And if you want videos where secrets unfold, and styles get revealed like never before, then hit that subscribe button and stay tuned with Unity Car. Because here, you'll always get something you've never seen or heard anywhere else. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Unity Car, where exclusives come alive.